Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gray wood filler is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any woodworker's kit. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the ability to seamlessly fill imperfections, cracks, and nail holes is crucial for achieving a flawless finish. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of gray wood fillers, exploring their uses, and helping you choose the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. NADAMOO Wood Furniture Repair Kit, 12 Colors. This kit is designed to fix all sorts of damage to your wooden furniture. It's a simple solution for scratches, dents, and more, helping you restore your furniture to its original beauty. The kit includes 12 different colors, from white to black and various wood tones. You can even mix the colors to perfectly match your furniture's finish. Applying the filler is easy. Simply squeeze it into the damaged area and smooth it out. A brush is also included for more detailed touch-ups. This kit is suitable for a wide range of wooden surfaces, including floors, tables, cabinets, and doors. It's a versatile solution for all your repair needs. With this kit, you can repair your furniture yourself, saving time and money. It's a great way to fix chips, cracks, and other imperfections without professional help. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of 12 colors, allowing you to perfectly match your furniture. It's incredibly easy to use, just squeeze and smooth. If you have various furniture pieces with different shades and need a comprehensive solution for all types of damages, you should consider this kit. What people say. I love that you can mix the colors until you get the right color for the finish. I did so much better than I thought fixing the flaws. I use this to repair a deep gouge in laminate flooring. It comes with a little mixing tray, and the idea is you mix the colors until you get the ideal color you need. Number 4. Robert's Gray Repair Putty, 3 ounces. This putty is designed to fix imperfections on your floors. It's perfect for filling gaps, nicks, and scratches on wood, laminate, and vinyl surfaces. During floor installation, this product is your best friend. Use it to fill those unsightly nail and screw holes, ensuring a smooth finish. Don't let damaged floors ruin your day. This putty is ideal for repairing damage on existing floors, making them look as good as new. Time is of the essence, and this product understands that. It dries quickly and is incredibly easy to apply, saving you time and effort. Made with an acrylic base, it's easy to work with. Plus, it sands smoothly, ensuring a seamless repair. Worried about the putty shrinking? Don't be. It's formulated to prevent shrinking, so your repairs will last. This 3 ounces tube contains putty that is formulated to match wood, laminate, and vinyl flooring. It blends in perfectly with your existing floors. What we like. This putty dries quickly and is easy to sand, ensuring a smooth finish without shrinking. It's perfect for filling gaps and scratches on wood, laminate, and vinyl. If you're looking for a quick and reliable solution for floor repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. The color matched perfectly. It was easy to apply and sand. The filler dried quickly and hard. Number 3. Robert's Light Gray Repair Putty, 3 ounces. This putty is designed to fix imperfections on your floors. It's perfect for filling gaps, nicks, and scratches on wood, laminate, and vinyl surfaces. Whether you're installing new flooring or repairing existing damage, this product is your go-to solution. It's great for filling nail and screw holes. This putty dries quickly and is incredibly easy to apply. You'll be able to complete your repairs in no time. The acrylic-based formula ensures that it's easy to sand down for a smooth finish. Plus, it won't shrink over time. The 3 ounces tube contains putty that is specifically formulated to match the color of your wood, laminate, or vinyl flooring. It blends seamlessly. What we like. This putty dries quickly and is easy to sand, ensuring a smooth finish without shrinking. It's perfect for filling gaps and scratches on wood, laminate, and vinyl. If you're looking for a quick and reliable solution for floor repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. A perfect match to our flooring color. Applying it was easy. It applies smoothly and needs to be leveled out and may smear or go outside of the filled area. Number 2. Amaco 2-ounce Gray Wood Nail Hole and Corner Filler. This is the perfect filler for picture frames. It is designed to fill any imperfections, making your frames look flawless. It's also great for sealing cracks and crevices in your wood furniture. This product ensures a smooth finish, protecting your furniture. This is a pliable filler, ideal for those hard-to-reach spots. It easily fills cracks, crevices, and nail holes. It works great on wood furniture, crafts, and all woodworking projects. You can use it to enhance the look of your projects. This is especially useful for picture framing. It provides a professional finish, making your frames look their best. The best part is that it will not dry out or shrink over time. This ensures a lasting, quality finish. What we like. This filler is pliable and won't dry out, making it ideal for detailed work. It's especially useful for picture framing and sealing cracks. If you like working on crafts or need a filler that remains flexible over time, you should choose this. What people say. Great for filling tiny cracks in frames. Looks fantastic, easy to use. Perfect match to fill in nail holes on our new charcoal kitchen cabinets. Number 1. Woodwise Gray Wood Patch Filler, Quart. Is your wood looking a little worse for wear? This product is the perfect solution for filling in those unsightly cracks and holes. It's easy to use and provides a durable, long-lasting repair. This is the Woodwise Gray Wood Patch Filler. It's a high-quality filler designed to seamlessly repair and restore damaged wood surfaces. It's the ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Applying this filler is a breeze. Simply apply it to the damaged area, smooth it out, and let it dry. The process is quick and straightforward, saving you time and effort. Once dry, this filler creates a strong, lasting repair. It resists shrinking, cracking, and chipping, ensuring your repairs stand the test of time. It's a reliable choice for any wood repair project. The gray color blends seamlessly with most wood tones. This filler provides a professional-looking finish that enhances the appearance of your wood. It's a great way to restore your wood to its original beauty. Get the Woodwise Gray Wood Patch Filler in a quart size. It's the perfect amount for most projects, providing excellent value and performance. Choose this product for all your wood repair needs. What we like. This filler comes in a quart size, perfect for larger projects. Its gray color is suitable for various applications. If you have a large area to cover or a substantial project, this is the right choice. What people say. The color matched perfectly. It was easy to apply and sand. The product worked great for filling in nail holes and small imperfections in the wood. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.